Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing expectations versus reality on a rainy day with my friend Gwen, Logan, and Peter. And this is just supposed to be fun, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe, share, and let's get right onto this video. Truth or dare, Logan. Dare? I dare you to go eat.
I love cake. Okay.
It's raining out. It's a lot more fun. Yeah. Oh no. You're not. Here I come. Found you. What the heck? Found you. Where's Gwen? Let's find her.
Ow, you smacked my face. Why do you have to find me?
Ready or not, here I come. What the heck? Where are you guys? I give up. You know what? Screw it. I'm done.
Alright guys, I'm going to lay down. Good night guys.
Thanks guys for watching this video. My expectation versus reality on a rainy day. Don't forget, this is Gwen, this is
Logan,
and this is
Peter.
Don't forget to give this video a big
Thumbs up.